Hello viewers, welcome to Princey TV. Today we are going to see about the parental care of cockatiel birds. How a parent bird feeds and protects the chicks. I hope you all have watched my previous videos about the cockatiel birds. This female bird you see here in this video is Elsa. You could have seen her in my feather trimming video. She is a completely hand-tamed bird. I just paired her with a grey male. Now she has given birth to 4 chicks. She had laid around 6 eggs, but only 4 got hatched. I'm so happy and excited to inform you all about it. Usually both male and female cockatiel birds feed their young ones. Now in this video, Elsa is feeding the chicks. Usually the alpha chick takes the lead to get the food from the parent bird. I think you could see that in the video. You may start laughing at the attitude of the male bird. It looks so funny, like he is playing a peekaboo game, but actually not. He is trying to save the chicks from us. The parental care of cockatiel birds are admirable. We are actually blessed to have a bird as a pet in our home. Birds are wonderful creation of God. We need to thank God for that. Hope you all have enjoyed the video playing peekaboo game with the father cockatiel. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.